Heisai, chuganabira! Hello everyone! I'm so glad I could finally meet you all. I'm Kijimuna, the wood spirit from Okinawa. Usually I live in trees, but today I flew here because I wanted to talk to you about Okinawa. Let me introduce where I'm from. This is the Yanbaru region, a forest area in the northern part of Okinawa's main island. With a subtropical climate and humid environment, it's home to various types of plants and animals. In 2021, Amami Oshima, Tokunoshima, and the northern part of Okinawa Island and Iriomote Island were registered as a World Natural Heritage Site. There are over 1,000 rare plants and animals, such as the Yanbaru kuina and the Yanbaru tenaga kogane, that are endemic to this area. It is an invaluable region that is home to countless endangered species. The Yanbaru kuina, a flightless bird, was first discovered in 1981. It made headlines as the first new bird species discovered in Japan since the Noguchi-gera 100 years earlier. In addition to the northern part of Okinawa Island and Yanbaru Forest, Iriomote Island is another island that was registered as a Natural Heritage Site. It is located in the Yaeyama Islands, about 400 kilometers away from Okinawa main island. It's also the second largest island after Okinawa main island. Most of the island has been designated as the Iriomote Ishigaki National Park. Iriomote Island is lined with mangroves and subtropical trees such as Sakishima suo trees and receives much rainfall throughout the year. With plenty of rivers and wetlands, it's rich in water. Mangroves are a rare type of tropical trees that grow where seawater meets freshwater and creates brackish water. It's said that 70% of Japan's mangroves are concentrated in Iriomote Island. Many rare creatures are found only here, including the Iriomote cat, the crested serpent eagle, the Ryukyu wood pigeon, and the yellow margin box turtle, all of which are designated natural monuments. To protect the natural environment of Iriomote Island, the number of visitors is limited to 1,200 people a day and 330,000 people a year. Okinawa's sparkling emerald green waters are shallow and crystal clear because the islands are surrounded by coral reefs. Fish, shellfish, and other sea creatures gather around, creating a rich marine environment. Coral reefs are also crucial in protecting the environment by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Now here's a quiz question. Is coral a plant or an animal? Or is it a mineral similar to stone? The answer is, it's an animal. Coral, like jellyfish and sea anemone, are a type of cnidarian. When tiny organisms come together, they form polyps and live together with an algae called zooxanthellae. But if the water temperature becomes too hot, coral will die. Each year, plenty of tourists come to Okinawa to see the beautiful waters and experience diving and snorkeling in the sea. And each year, from January to March, you can see humpback whales. They come from cold regions thousands of kilometers away to give birth to and raise their calves. It's important that we learn about and continue to protect Okinawa's forests, seas, plants, and animals. If you ever come to Okinawa, I'll show you around.